the southern tip of Africa, two giants collide: the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. This epic convergence results in one of the richest and biologically diverse marine ecosystems on the planet. Like the Serengeti of the sea, creatures both fierce and friendly populate this pristine aquatic wilderness. But the land is not to be outdone by the ocean. The Cape Floral Kingdom, although the smallest of the world's 6 kingdoms, boasts unmatched levels of diversity, with more than 3 times the floral species of the Amazon jungle. Its delicate floral forms are contrasted by the gnarled and twisted branches of ancient milkwood trees gathered together like congregations of the elders. The ruggedly beautiful coastline still echoes with the voices of Stone Age people and lies scattered with the splintered shipwrecks of early-day explorers, with solitary lighthouses erected like solemn monuments to their ambitious endeavors. Situated in the heart of this dramatic destination is a 5-star eco-paradise committed to the conservation of the region's biodiversity, as well as the upliftment of local communities that are its custodians and beneficiaries. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. Discover diversity.